So, the OnePlus 15 is here to shake up the flagship game once again, and it's coming in hot. OnePlus has built a reputation for delivering killer speed, clean design, and uncompromised performance, and the upcoming OnePlus 15 looks like the brand's boldest move yet. The excitement around this phone is already skyrocketing, and with good reason. It's not just another upgrade, it's a complete performance overhaul. Let's get straight into the power behind this beast. The OnePlus 15 is confirmed to feature Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, a processor built for raw speed and efficiency. This chip is shaping up to be one of the most powerful mobile platforms of 2025, and OnePlus seems to be tuning it to perfection. According to recent Geekbench 6 benchmarks, the numbers are nothing short of impressive. The OnePlus 15, equipped with 12 GB of RAM, has shown a massive leap over its predecessor. While the OnePlus 13 averaged around 2,974 in single-core and 8,653 in multi-core scores. The OnePlus 15's results blow those figures away, delivering a 17% boost in single-core performance and a 9.5% improvement in multi-core performance. That means snappier response times, smoother gaming, and lightning-fast multitasking that's miles ahead of the previous generation. To put it simply, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 isn't just fast, it's designed to redefine flagship power. And yes, while the OnePlus 15's scores are slightly below Qualcomm's reference design and gaming-focused devices like the Red Magic 11 Pro, this is entirely expected. The phone is likely still running pre-release software, which means there's plenty of room for optimization before the final version hits store shelves. Qualcomm's reference models are also built purely for benchmarking, while the OnePlus 15 aims for a balance between performance, battery life, and heat management, a balance OnePlus has historically nailed. OnePlus has officially confirmed that the OnePlus 15 will debut on October 27th alongside the more affordable OnePlus Ace 6. However, that date applies only to the Chinese market. Global fans will have to wait just a bit longer, as reports suggest international sales will kick off on November 13th. But as always, importers are expected to list the Chinese variant right after launch. Geekbench also confirms that the OnePlus 15 will start with 12 GB of RAM, though a 16 GB variant is highly likely, especially considering the brand's push toward heavy multitasking and AI integration. So here's the takeaway. The OnePlus 15 is shaping up to be one of the fastest, smartest, and most balanced Android phones of 2025. With record-breaking benchmark results and a next-gen chipset, OnePlus is clearly ready to reclaim its flagship killer crown. So what do you guys think about the upcoming OnePlus 15? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.